Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical issues during the replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Open your hood and look for two T20 Torx screws positioned on the top of the headlight assembly. Use your T20 Torx bit to remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips with a little careful effort, revealing the bulb housing. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing and carefully remove it. Take your new bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Push it firmly until you hear and feel it click securely into its mounting clips. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.